I will make this photo more and more beautiful. If I want to make it as like this, so your photo's brightness level is low. You will click this layer and click on adjustment and click on brightness level, then click on contrast, and contrast will make your photo much impressive. Then click on saturation, then click on vibrance, then click on temperature, then click on highlight, then click on shadow, then click on hue. Last step is hue. If you want to change your photo's color, you can choose this one of the like this. Then if you want to make more beautiful, you will click on filter and select one of the on all these filters one by one and apply in your photo and decrease some brightness level like this. So friends, you can easily make your photo more and more beautiful. If you want to make your photo black and white, you will click on mono and your photo will be black and white. So friends, you can easily make your photo beautiful much and much. So friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.